Today, what we are going to do is we are going to do 5 exercises to get your heart pumping, okay? You're going to do them as fast as you can for 20 seconds. Then you're going to take a 10-second break, okay? You need yourself, maybe some water, and a safe space to work out in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mostly just use this area to show you that exercise can be done in a small space. You ready? First exercise, walking. You're just going to walk as fast as you can. You can go forwards, you can go backwards, you can go diagonal, side, side. Just walk very fast. Next exercise, high knees. Bring your knees up as high as you can and as fast as you can. If you go a little slower, that's okay. 20 seconds is all you have to do. And then you're gonna take a break. And then you're gonna do another 20 seconds. So really it's 40 seconds. Math. It is time for the opposite of high knees, which means not the same but completely different. Well, kind of the opposite. We're gonna do butt kicks. So you're gonna take your foot and you're gonna kick it back like this. All right, maybe not quite like that. It's gonna be more like this. Butt kicks, let's go. Alright, now we're going to do the jumping jack. What you're going to do for jumping jacks is your feet start together, your hands start together. Your hands and feet go out at the same time. My feet aren't moving. Let's try that again. Hands and feet go out at the same time. Hands and feet go out at the same. Okay, let's do this. Jumping jacks. Exercise you're going to do is we're going to do running. You may not be able to actually run in your space, so what you can do is you can put one foot forward, one foot back, and pump your arms as fast as you can. 20 seconds like this. You switch with the other foot in front, and pump your arms as fast as you can, like this. Now if you can run in your space, then go for it! what? Guess what you gotta do? You gotta repeat all of those exercises and get even stronger right now. Go. about 10 minutes of exercises with some breaks involved, and you got stronger. As long as you did your best, you did good enough. Bye for now. Thanks for joining for this lesson.